In this video, I'm going to go through some basic Docker terminologies. The first is container. As we know, it is a self-contained running application, and this runs an instance of an image. So what is an image? Image is, at its core, it's a binary which contains the packaged version of your app. So basically, it's a template of your application. Then comes Dockerfile. So Dockerfile actually has the definition of the image. So it is actually a file. Inside that, you write the definition of an image, and then you can execute a certain command to actually create the image. Then you can run the image to have your container running. I will explain in more detail on later videos. One more thing I want to go over is Dockerhub. So this is basically an app store for Docker images. So it's a website called hub.docker.com, and when you create your image, you have two options. You can have it locally so that you can run the image on your computer, or if you want to store an image somewhere so that anyone can run that image, then ideally you would store it in Docker Hub. There are other places to store as well, but in our case, we'll be storing in Docker Hub. And to give a brief overview, we usually start from a Docker file where we write the definition of our overall application. So this Docker file has information about what operating system to use, which language you are using, and how the code you are going to use and how to actually execute the code. And using this Docker file, we can create image, and we can later run the image to have the container running, which is the actual running application.